Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the foundation. Pick a managed host that handles SSL and caching so you avoid performance pitfalls. Once chosen, install a lightweight responsive theme and create a child theme to preserve custom work. Then install one responsive plugin and a backup solution and set permalinks to readable mode. These steps get you into the editor fast while keeping performance and updates safe. You will iterate on layout next, so do not over-customize now. You now build the core. Start mobile first, adding breakpoints as needed instead of removing styles later. Use CSS flexbox or grid so columns reflow. Set max width and percentage-based width so elements scale. Optimize images with src set, sizes and WebP fallback, and prefer SVG for icons to keep clarity. Once done, test at 320 to 1440 pixels in DevTools and on a real phone. Make sure touch targets are locked. You finish by running performance audits and applying fixes. Minify CSS, defer non-critical JavaScript, and enable a CDN to reduce latency. Deploy first to staging, run cross-device QA, and only push to production once stable. If something breaks, inspect DevTools for layout shifts, overflow, or incorrect media queries. Those are the usual culprits. Make sure to clear caches and recheck responsive meta tags. If one rule refuses to apply, search for a higher specificity selector overriding it and fix that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.